NHPC Limited has signed a 40-year power purchase agreement with Chhattisgarh State Power Distribution Company Limited for the supply of electricity from its upcoming 1,720 megawatt Kamla Hydroelectric project in Arunachal Pradesh. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, in partnership with the Delhi government, has signed a memorandum of understanding to launch the Old Clothes Donation Project, an initiative aimed at promoting textile recycling and sustainable waste management. Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited and the National Institute of Urban Affairs have signed a memorandum of understanding under the Technical Assistance Grant of CTS 2.0 to promote sustainable and climate-resilient urban development across India. Power Grid has announced the successful commissioning of the transmission system for evacuation of power from potential RE zone in Khavda area of Gujarat under Phase 4, 7 gigawatts, Part E4. The project became operational with effect from June 21, 2026. The company received the date of commercial operation on July 14, 2026, confirming the project's commissioning. In a major development for urban infrastructure in Uttar Pradesh, UP Jal Nigam Urban, Varanasi, has awarded a significant sewerage project to EMS Limited. The company informed the BSE and NSE that it has received the letter of acceptance from UP Jal Nigam Urban for laying sewer networks and house connections in Varanasi city. In a landmark initiative to boost agricultural exports from the Union Territory of Ladakh, the Honorable Lieutenant Governor Shri Vinay Kumar Saxena flagged off the first export consignment of fresh Ladakh apricots at Ladakh Bhavan, New Delhi. In a major boost to urban mobility and infrastructure development in Uttar Pradesh, the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has approved the development of a 6-lane greenfield elevated corridor between National Highway 19 and the Varanasi Ring Road, including riverbank connectivity along the Ganga. India's quick commerce platform Instamart has announced a partnership with Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited in order to launch the country's first on-demand LPG cylinder delivery service on a quick commerce platform. The partnership also marks the market debut of HPCL's newly launched HP Navya, a next-generation 10kg composite LPG cylinder. Coal India Limited has achieved another major milestone, with 27 of its mines receiving the 5-star rating for fiscal year 2024-25. The recognition highlights the company's continued focus on safe mining, environmental protection, and sustainable operations. Indian Oil Corporation Limited has announced important information regarding the final dividend for FY 2025-26. The board had recommended a dividend of 1.25 rupees per share, which is subject to approval at the upcoming annual general meeting. Record date: Friday, August 14, 2026.